RSU service startup recruitment agency is a very intensive one. The workshop was very good. I really enjoyed it, and for the fact that it's provided the need for me to own my own business, which I have been looking for. The benefits in there to be able to be free financially and also to be my own boss. That is something that I've longed to look for. And today I couldn't wait to start straight away as soon as the workshop was over. And you know, it's something that I'm very happy to start on with. Especially I can't really wait to be financially free and then have good time with my family. And yeah, so the workshop was really nice. It was very good for me.